The answer to that is yes, you do. So Amazon treats its marketplaces differently as separate entities. So if you want to sell in America, then you sign up to Amazon.com and go through the process and you set yourself up on Amazon in America. But Amazon in America also gives you access to, for the same price, Mexico and Canada as well. I love saying Canada. So you get all that bundled together, and Amazon.com.au, so Australia, also gives you access to Amazon JP, which is Japan. So you get that bundled together, and Amazon.co.uk in the UK gives you access to all of the European marketplaces as well, all included in the account. So you need a, depending on where you're planning to sell, but for you specifically, you'll need a .com account and a .com.au account. You need both until they bring them all together, which I can't see them doing. But until they do, if they ever do, you'll just need this. They treat them separately, and so we treat them separately too. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.